Oh wow, well look at that. It's the perfect time to invade the plant salon. I mean, look at it. It's cold. I'm not sure if you can look at it. And it's dark. And it's windy. So that's pretty much a perfect time. Hopefully the plants get blown away. This is, I knew it. Zombies again. Well, I better warn Peachtree about this information. Peachtree, oh yes, I know, there's zombies, and I want to invade our lawn again. Wait, how did you know that? It's pretty predictable, man. I mean, look, it's cold and windy, and of course, the boss would think it's a perfect time to invade our lawn. I'm getting up. Oh, okay, well, I'm gonna go warn everyone else. Man, I hate cold days. I love cold days. Man, I'm so glad I have this pumpkin to protect me. Yeah, I'd figure out you like it. Oh, I can't wait to invade. Whoa, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 zombies! Are we missing anyone? No. Yes. We're missing Foot Soldier. Whatever happened to him? Oh, he said he had like some doctor appointment or something like that. Well, what seems to be your problem? Oh, doctor, it's horrible. Look what happened. Oh, well, maybe there's still a chance that we can successfully get the brain even without him. Yeah, I highly doubt it. Be quiet, newspaper. You don't know anything. Anyways, I think we should start sending him out because the plants are already on the lawn. Anyways, any volunteers? Yay, I want to go! Okay, so let me just get this over with so I can be recovered. Yeah, sure, why not, man? Hey, if he's coming, then I'm coming. Hey, oh no, wait a minute! I'm still gonna eat it. Nom. Oh no, an explosive nut. You know what to do, man. E-powers, activate. They got to beat us now. Hiya! You know what? I'm not angry about my newspaper this time. Uh-oh. It's starting to get real windy. Uh-oh. Ah! Hey, look. The wind killed some of the plants. Look out! Ugh, why am I always the one who dies? Okay. I mean, it's just zombotany. I mean, we still have this entire team. Anyways, 4 more volunteers. Anyone? Oh, okay. Well, me and Legless will smash those stupid plants. Oh, well, why not? Uh-oh. Wow, man. Of course, you had to pick the one with the doom shroom. How smart is that? Hey, Legless, sounds kind of mean. Oh, and another thing, you're big and fat. Nuh-uh, well, you're tiny and meow. Oh. Hey, well, I didn't have much character in this episode. And I'll give you character next time. You know, maybe you'll be a main character for a PVC Plus short. Whatever. Hey, you son trip. You think you're gonna kill me? I mean, it's not like you can kill me anyway, because you're pathetic. Shucks. Hey, I think I'll go in a lane where pole vaulter is. I'm gonna send all of you. Yeah. Which flag are you there? I can't even see. Yeah, I'm there. Yeah. All of you are going. I'm depending on you, and if you lose us, well, Oh, what are you gonna do? No branch? It's not like we're gonna get it anyway. That's a good point. Just do it or else. Just do it. Okay, good point. Hey, Senpai. Do you want to join this cult with me? Number one, you're a zombie, and number two, I'm already in like a cult. Well, why don't you leave it and join the cone cult? I don't think I'll pass. Stupid sunflowers. What about you, Big Jim? Wait, no, you understand. You, wait, please don't kill me. I need to tell you about the cone cult and that wheel up. Okay, this should be easy. There's just Blover, Sunflower, and Gatling Pea, and a peach, and a cattail, and a melon pulp behind her. This should be easy. I just gotta Oh, I love kicking plants. Dude, by the way, I'm like right here. Oh, wait, you back off. I'll have you know that. And you too. What else do I have to deal with? Wait, did we win? What? Wait, dude, we won! Oh my gosh! I regret making this. We're gonna lose again. We're not gonna get that brain. We won! Wait, what? We won? Yes, eat that, plants! Oh my gosh, we won! Did you hear that, beef flag zombie? But I didn't get the goal. It doesn't matter. We won! We won! Flag life matters, I guess.